Once, in a quiet village surrounded by tall mountains, lived a 20-year-old man named Lauren. Lauren's mind was never still. Thoughts constantly came and went, leaving him uneasy and tired. He often felt sadness about his past and anxiety about the future. His mind was like a storm, restless and chaotic. Sleep eluded him, and he even forgot how to smile. One day, Lauren heard about a distant village in the hills where an old wise man lived. This man had once been a renowned psychologist in the city, helping countless people find peace in their minds. Now retired, he had left the city's hustle to live a calm life near nature, occasionally offering guidance to visitors. Curious and hopeful, Lauren decided he must meet the old man. Perhaps he can help me find the peace I've been seeking, he thought. After several exhausting days of travel, Lauren finally arrived at the hillside village. He saw a small house covered in green plants. On its porch, the old man sat quietly, eyes closed, radiating calm. Lauren approached him gently. "Grandfather," he said softly, "my mind is restless. I cannot stop thinking. I long for peace in my heart. Can you help me?" The old man opened his eyes slowly and smiled. "You seek peace, do you? Come with me. I have a small task for you." He led Lauren to his yard, filled a glass to the brim with water, and handed it to him. "Walk to the edge of the village and return, but do not spill a single drop," he instructed. Surprised, Lauren nodded. Determined, he accepted the challenge. Holding the glass carefully, he began walking. The path was narrow and lively. People were walking, running, and calling out. Dogs barked in the distance. Yet Lauren did not glance around. His eyes remained fixed on the glass. Step by step, he moved slowly, concentrating fully. Villagers watched in quiet curiosity, sensing the importance of his task. Finally, Lauren returned to the old man. "Grandfather, I did it. Not a single drop spilled," he said. The old man nodded approvingly. "Well done. But tell me, did you notice the children playing by the road or the dogs barking?" Lauren looked puzzled. "No, I didn't see or hear anything. I was only focused on the glass," he admitted. The old man's smile was gentle. "This is the secret," he said softly. "It was always within you, though you didn't realize it. When your mind fully embraces the present moment, fear, confusion, and unnecessary thoughts cannot enter. While you focused solely on the water, your mind became still. You are not sad about the past or worried about the future." Gradually, Lauren understood. This was the peace he had been seeking. Peace was not something outside him. It had always existed within, waiting for his attention to the present moment. Bowing his head, he said, "Grandfather, I understand. To calm my mind, I must remain in this moment. That is where true peace lies." The old man smiled again. The sun was setting, casting its last golden light across the village, and birds returned to their nests. Lauren began walking home, but he was no longer restless. He had changed. Inside, he felt serene, knowing how to quiet his mind. If you enjoyed this story, please like and share it with friends and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Thank you for joining us. We will meet again with new stories, thoughts, and lessons. Until then, stay well and remain peaceful.